Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to do an updated review of this Russell Hobbs rice cooker and steamer. So I did a video about 4 years ago and that video was quite popular, people enjoyed it, and so I thought maybe I would give you an update on how it's been going for the past 4+ years with this rice cooker. I'll put a link to that video that I've just mentioned. Hopefully it will pop up at the corner, or I'll put it in the description. So this is our rice cooker and steamer. We've had it for quite a while now, and I'm just going to go through the different parts of this gadget or item, just to give you a better understanding of the parts that it comes with. I believe when we bought it, it also came with a measuring cup, of which we don't have that anymore. We never really used it. I mainly just I measure my rice with like a normal mug, so that is okay for us. So I'll just start off by showing you the cord, the cable. So it's a 3-point cable. Not really long, but for us it works because it just sits on the counter and we've got power points on the counter, so that's fine. And then this is the body of the rice cooker. So it's a stainless steel, and of course it's a Russell Hobbs brand, which we are quite happy with. Russell Hobbs, to be fair, we've got quite a lot of Russell Hobbs items in the house, from a slow cooker. I think we've got like an iron, we've got a number of Russell Hobbs, a kettle, blender. We have quite a number of Russell Hobbs and we are quite happy with the brand, so which is good. And then it comes with a lid, glass lid, quite steady. It also has a hole for the steam to come out, and I would advise, so if you've got like cabinets like we do above there, I tend to push the rice cooker forward and position the hole so that it's not blowing steam onto the cupboards. So that's a bit of a tip there. So that's the lid, easy to handle, no problem. And then maybe let me continue with the outside. So here you've got sort of like the control. So this top part is for warming, and then this bottom part is for cooking, is what I've gathered so far. And then what I would point out as well is, over the years, the symbols that were written in white have faded. For me, this is not a problem, because obviously I now know the rice cooker. I know what each means, and I mean, I guess it is expected that over quite a while that those the symbols or the writing would come off. Also could be attributed to probably the way I've cleaned it and so forth. So that's not been a big issue for us. And then if I just turn it to the side, you've got the on and off button. Pretty simple. I'll just turn it around so you have a good look around. There we are. And the other thing I like about it as well is at the bottom, it's got the rubber here, so it doesn't just slide everywhere, which is pretty good. And then inside it's got the tray or basket or sieve, whatever you want to call it. Mine is a bit damaged a bit, and that was purely due to me using it once on the stove, nothing to do with the brand itself. So this is used to steam vegetables, and apparently you can also steam fish in here, so that will be handy, though we haven't tried it, so that will be probably something I will look into doing. So it's quite a good size. You can steam all types of vegetables in here. Sometimes what I might do is, even when I'm cooking rice, I might steam something on top of the rice and just, multi-purpose use. And then inside you've got the bowl. So mine is slightly stained there from the rice that we've cooked, which is fine with me. And this is a 1.8 liter bowl, which is pretty good. I mean, we are a family of just two, so myself and my husband. And sometimes even when we entertain, it really does take a lot of rice, to be fair. A lot. We tend to end up, I use 2 cups or mugs of rice, and we won't even finish those 2 cups in one sitting. So this bowl is pretty good. I just chuck this in the dishwasher when I'm done. Not sure if that's the right thing or not, but it works for us. It is a pretty big bowl. I think also because of using the dishwasher, it's kind of discolored. But again, because we've had this for ages, I'm not overly bothered by it. And then you've got the inside where the bowl sits. Again, a bit discolored, but not an issue. I think, you know, if you were to take a bit of a brush and a good cleaning liquid, those marks would come off. But just wanted to show you what it is as is. It's also got the 2 handles, plastic handles here, this one and this one, which makes it easy to pick up and move around. Yeah, so I think this is pretty much it. Again, if you want to see me cooking rice with it, I will link the video so you can have a look. But overall, very happy with this rice cooker. Haven't had an issue with the rice cooker. It's lasted us for so long. It would make a perfect gift for someone. It could be worthwhile to use as well yourself. Also, we never cook rice on the hob or the stove anymore. We just use the rice cooker, and for me it works brilliantly because therefore I don't have to constantly monitor the rice. It automatically switches from the heat to the warm function, which is brilliant. So that means that you're not going to have burnt rice. And like I said, the capacity is quite big, which is useful to cook quite a lot of rice. So I hope that's been useful. I'm going to link this product where you can buy it from Amazon in the description. So if you want to buy yourself a rice cooker, feel free to click on that link. And until next time, bye.